How to sharpen your image inside Davinci Resolve version 17. On the Edit tab, click on a clip and then go to the Color tab. And using these icons up here, click on this one which is called Blur. It has a water droplet sign and a triangle, and modify the radius. So that's how to make your image sharper or blurrier. So on the bottom is sharpening the image and on the top is blurring it out. So that's how to sharpen your image by moving it slightly down. Now let's get into more details, because this entire zone and even more are related to sharpening. You cannot use this HV, horizontal vertical ratio, until you modify the first one. So bring that one down, for example, and then you can see what this one is doing. By the way, these are moving all together. Okay, we have scaling. If scaling is not usable, then take a look at these three icons. On the blur, it's grayed out, it's not usable. On the middle one, which is called sharpen, there it's usable. You can see what it is making. And we have also the mist, and it's also doing something. If it's on the first one, then those coring, softness, level and mix are not usable. So make sure you're on the second one, and then you can drag either the text to the left or to the right, or the number. Dragging it to the left and to the right, it's not doing any visible modification currently. And we have level also, and that is doing a minimal job in this case. Scaling down, and level is not doing anything. Scaling up, horizontal ratio down, and it's doing something. Okay, and now it's doing much more. So it coring softness to the 0. Now level is doing a much more visible job. And on the left we have double edges, it's white, and if it's up to 100, then that white disappeared. So you have to use a combination of all these to achieve your goal. By the way, you can reset one group, let's say that one with that one, and horizontal vertical ratio with that one, or reset everything to the default value by using this reset all. Okay, so long story short, move that one slightly down and your image is sharper.